say I didn't. I don't know why. I can never pick any of these up. It's no, they do not want me to. Hey, you can't get me. You can't get me. Oh, no, you can't. No, I'm just a baby. No, I'm back with you. Ha ha ha. So this was my time at the trampoline park. I can't leave. No.
Seti, why are you e-dancing on a tree?
Well, that's because if you take a look this way, I will be participating in the Last to Leave challenge by yours truly, Mr. Beast.
I'm going up against some of these people, like this woman over here. Woman is kind of embarrassed because she's kind of sharp.
Ew, 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 ew. I'm not, no, get away. 3, 2, 1, we're going on a good Welcome to Last to Leave the Circle. The game is simple. Last to Leave the Circle wins 4,000 Robux. Oh my goodness, what is that dude doing? Our next event is for Lava. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. It's not high. No, it's not high. Okay, yes. Let me stand on these pathetic heads. Give me the money. Oh my, so many people have died.
Not my problem.
Can I actually touch the outside? Should I try it? Okay, I will. I touched it. Touch. Oh! Oh, I just touched her. Our next event has started. A random player will get something in 1 second. GG lol fun got speed coil. Oh no, Azarine is inbound. Find shelter. Haha, did it. Go out of circle and get 5,000 Robux.
No, lie.
Oh, I think someone's actually doing it. Do it. No, they didn't do it, you liar. A random player will get something. Somebody with the name dot. Go out of the circle or else you lose your dog. I think somebody just said they don't have a dog. Wow, I didn't think of that.
I don't have a dog either.
Why is this guy so dead? Is he actually gonna be dead forever? Somebody actually stepped out the circle. Oh my god. A random player will get something. It's Gaga again. They gotta push. Why is there a tiny person? Hold on. I'm gonna switch you, little girl. Oh no, acid rain again. My shelter. Somebody told me to look up. Okay. Wow, I see a beautiful sight while looking out. Go. Get out. I'ma push you. Go. Wait. No. Stop. Oh, the board's on. No. Get down. Yeah. You're dead. We got more people dead, and now we got less and less people playing. Yay. Skylove 360. Gotta play this. Can you please play the taco song? That's my favorite taco song. First break is gonna hurt. Uh-oh. Watch out. Where? Oh, I think we just get pushed. Yo, this earthquake is so realistic, my dude. Oh, I see some bullying happening here. Hey, why are you pushing me? Not me. You just called me short. I'm mad. Two are very similar. Miss Mary was on calling Mr. Beast's mom. What the? No. I was just kidding. I will never, ever call Mr. Beast's mother. Stop! Where did this woman go? You, stop pushing. I'm going to push you over later. Trust me. I'm pushing you back. No, you are. These circles get free Robux. This one right here. Actually? Oh my god, no way. No actual way. JK! I tricked you. Our next challenge is the floor is lava. So why is the platform very lava-like? No. Yes. Don't stop the thing. Look how they died. Their body parts are all the way over here, and their single head is over here. That's so sad. Somebody, oh, they were so close to dying. Whoa! And then I come back. We're down to, I think people.
Next event is